Most people say this wrong in English.
I have fever. I have a fever.
Fever. Bukhar. I have a fever. My body is hot.
Did you know this?
20 doctor words in slow English.
I feel sick today.
Our new word is sick. Grandma is sick today.
Let's go to the doctor.
Oh, all right.
It'll be okay. Let's go to the doctor.
All right, dear.
It'll be okay.
New word, doctor. The doctor helps you feel better.
Everyone, get in the car.
Yay, let's go.
All right, in we go.
Are we going far?
No, the clinic is near.
Clinic. We go to the clinic today.
We are at the clinic.
All right, everyone out.
Let's go.
Hello, we have an appointment.
Of course. May I see your ID, please?
Here you go.
Thank you.
New word, appointment. Example, we have an appointment at 9.
Please sit down.
Here we are, dear.
Thank you, dear.
Rest now, my love.
This place is very clean.
Look, there are many pictures. This one is about hand washing and eating colors and brushing.
Yes, those are health tips. It says, brush 2 minutes a day.
Okay, Mommy.
Good morning. I am Dr. Smith. Good morning, doctor.
Hello, doctor, my head hurts.
I see. Tell me more about the pain.
It's a throbbing pain right here.
Open your mouth. Say ah.
Ah.
Good. Hold it. You have a small fever. No problem.
Oh, that's a relief.
You'll be just fine.
Doctor, what is a fever?
A fever is when your body temperature is higher than normal. It's a sign your body is fighting an infection.
Oh, I see.
A fever means your body is too hot. We'll get you some medicine to help you feel better.
I will give Grandma some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Here is the prescription.
Got it. Thanks again.
Take this medicine 2 times a day. Hold up 2 fingers like this to remember.
2 times a day. Got it.
Exactly. Morning and evening with food.
Thank you, doctor.
Morning and night, Grandma? Just 1 pill each time with water. Oh, I see. Morning and night. That's right. Consistency is important.
Drink a lot of water every day. It's very important for your health. Just like this every single day. You'll feel much better. Rest at home. Sleep early.
Thank you, doctor. We will.
Good. That's the best medicine. Got it, doc.
Don't worry. We will help, dear.
Now let's get the medicine.
Good idea, dear.
Yay, hurry up. Woof.
We're right behind you.
How much does it cost? Let me check. Whoa, that's a lot! I guess we'll have to save up.
It is not expensive. It is okay. Dad smiles, pays at counter. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Thanks, you too.
Thank you, Dr. Smith.
You're very welcome.
Goodbye now and take care.
You too. Goodbye.
Feel better soon, Grandma.
Feel better soon, Grandma. I want to be a doctor one day. Doctors are so cool. They help people.
Me too! Doctors help people.
We are home. Rest now, Grandma. Thank you, dear. There you go. All comfy? Yes, much better. Bless you.
Thank you, my family. I love you.
always go to the doctor when you are sick.